COVID cases are continuing to go down in Mecklenburg County. The daily percent positive rate now sits at 20.8%. We're taking a look now at how that compares to other areas in the state. Cabarrus County, for instance, at 24.47%, Gaston County at 29.6%, and Iredell at 28.88%. Meanwhile, the Mecklenburg County Public Health Director, Dr. Raynard Washington, says if trends continue, he actually recommends lifting the county-wide indoor mask mandate by as early as next week. He just announced that during the Mecklenburg County Board of Commissioners meeting, where there are some tough decisions on the table for commissioners this afternoon. Chairman of the board, George Dunlap, says they'll be discussing their colleague Ella Scarborough's proposed medical leave. Queen City News chief political correspondent Emma Withrow is live outside the meeting to explain what's to come. Emma?
Yeah, that's right, guys. They're definitely going to be talking about Commissioner Scarborough, but that mask news is for sure welcome to many. Coming up later at 6, I'll have more details on the mask news as well as reaction and some more information on what Dr. Washington says on how we got to this point. But for now, let's talk about Ella Scarborough. So as of the last few months, she's either been absent or not participating virtually in these commissioner meetings, and she's still been getting paid up until her family announced that she wanted to take an unpaid medical leave. But with that news came lots of questions that it seemingly no commissioners even had the answers to. So today's meeting was to give some clarity to that news. Now, Dunlap said the board will be discussing Scarborough's medical leave and voting on whether or not to grant it. Originally, Scarborough's kids told Dunlap she'd be taking unpaid medical leave, but reports from other outlets obtained an email saying she would be paid. So the confusion surrounding that should be cleared up today.
Earlier in the day, I had a conversation with Commissioner Scarborough's family. And we talked about some things that she might do, given her participation on the board. The family asked that they have some time to think about those things and consider it, and that they would get back in touch with me.
So despite not participating in those meetings and rarely voting, Commissioner Scarborough has still received more than $50,000 a year from her salary, additional compensation, and benefits. So Dunlap has told me that he hasn't actually spoken one-on-one or over the phone to Scarborough in months. He's only been in communication with her kids. So tonight, they're going to be talking about whether or not to grant that medical leave and whether or not she would be paid while taking it. We'll have more information on that tonight at 10. Coming up at 6, though, we're going to be talking more about masks. So stay tuned for then. But for now, live at the Government Center, Emma Withrow, Queen City News.